Hi guys, and I hope this finds you well. Well, today you find me in the garden. And what am I doing? Well, I've just inflated Jan and mine's two-person kayak. Why, you may ask? As we're a little bit landlocked here in the back garden. Well, firstly, the idea is the fact that, well, we've not had it out yet this year, and I thought I would put a bit of air in it, let the sun get on it and get some of the creases out of it. It always helps. Secondly, it's never had a review on this channel, so I thought I would give it a bit of a review. And thirdly, these here are the normal seats that come with it. And well, I've decided to try a new seat, mainly for Jan, but secondly for me. The seats that are in it just sit down in the base and don't give a lot of support really for your bottom or for your back. So I've bought this. This is a big cardboard box, and what's inside it is a bluefin kayak seat. I've already opened it and had a look at it. Well, rather Jan did. The one thing he says, pulling it out, let's throw the box over there. It's a bit different, obviously, because it's called bluefin. It's got a bit of blue on it. Perhaps would have been better without that. It has an inflatable bladder, which is tucked neatly inside here, and a bit of Velcro on the bottom. So if you stick a Velcro pad on your base of your kayak, that'll help to stop it from movement. So let's start off. Let's inflate the bladder. Ooh, that took a bit of wind out of me. Didn't take much air to actually inflate it. Tighten it up. It's quite padded. And as we can see, if I offer this down here, the back situation is already a lot better. So let's unclip the old seat and clip the new one in. This is the one that actually comes with the Go Plus two-person kayak, and this is the bluefin one. You can see the difference. So let's see what it sits in like. Well, first impressions, it's a tight fit there. Obviously it's going to take a little bit of adjustment to get these in the correct position. And I think we're going to have to adjust this down, he says, to be able to move the seat forward a bit. To get this on. There we go, that's much better. Do the same with this side. And the same with this. Well, we'll loosen these off as much as we can and see, that's a bit loose there, so tighten that up a bit. Right, shall I get in and see what it feels like? All strapped in, let's get in and see what it feels like. Right, big difference. You're a lot higher in the canoe or kayak, whatever you want to call it. It feels more almost like you're on top of it, but it does feel quite good. Whether or not it'll be okay for Jan, I think it will enable her to get in and out and perhaps be a bit more comfortable in the actual sitting position that she's in. I'll just hop in the back and we'll see if I can see what the difference is and whether or not I want to get another one for myself. Well, I have to say the bluefin is a lot more comfortable and the backrest supports you a lot more. That's probably because there's tubes in the back to offer a bit more support. Yes, you feel a lot lower. Do I think it's better? I don't know. We'll have to see what it's like when we get it out on the water, which we hope to do very soon. And I will include a brief description of my views when we have that video on the site. So stay tuned for that. It certainly changes the entire profile of the kayak, but for sitting position and comfort, it does feel a lot better. If you're looking for an affordable tandem inflatable kayak for casual adventures, the Go Plus 2-person kayak is a surprisingly capable option. It's aimed at beginners, families and recreational paddlers, rather than the serious touring kayaker, and it performs this role very well. One of the standout features is how stable this kayak feels on the water. Its wide inflatable chambers and drop stitch style floor give it a much more rigid feel than any of the other ones on the market. Owners constantly mention feeling secure even when paddling solo or getting in and out of it. The EVA padded seats are decent for short or medium outings. There's enough space for 2 adults and some gear and a small dog. Being inflatable means that there's no need for a roof rack, it just fits handily into your boot. Probably the most common criticism is the seat itself, but serious paddlers may want to upgrade the seat like I am. I hope you've enjoyed this short video and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care.